Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to convert a Word document to a PDF using PDF Element on Windows. Here we go! First, click on the Create PDF option that is available right on the home window for the application. Here, you can browse for the Word file that you wish to turn into a PDF file. Click on Open after you have selected the file. PDF Element will automatically convert the file and open it for editing. You can easily edit all the elements on the PDF file with its powerful editing tools. After that, make sure you go to File and select Save to save the modification. And that's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to try PDF Element free today. Plus, check the rest of my videos for other useful tutorials. Thanks, and see you next time!